This is the view of the recruiter side of the dashboard, where a recruiter can create jobs and create workflows for hiring processes. Let me show you an example by creating a job. So you need to put basic information about the job, for example, the title, location, and the job description. Then you can configure what you want to give weightage to while shortlisting a candidate, and then you can create a public application form, and just simple as that you have created a job listing. As you can see from the dashboard, there are multiple workforce already available. There are options to upload existing candidates into your current hiring workflow, just like we are importing candidates right now. As you can see, all the candidates are uploaded, and the application starts processing all the candidates as one. All the resume is being passed and data extracted, and then this resume will be matched against the job description and the requirements while the recruiter put while creating the job application. This is the view of. Now we switch to the candidate side of the application process. So the application can apply to a job by just signing up and clicking one click apply, and then their resume is directly forwarded to the recruiter, where a lot of processes are done before matching the candidate to the job description. Now we start the evaluation process with AI for the all the candidates that have applied for the job. While this happens, the AI matches the resume and the past experiences of the candidate against the job description and the requirements of the role. Also, it scans the entire GitHub repository and creates a measure of the importance of their contributions and the projects they have done directly from the GitHub repo that is calculated. This is a view of one of the candidates into our application that the AI has created and provided a score by matching it to the job description. This is what will be used to rank all the candidates from uh, 1 to whatever number of candidates there are, and an entire ranking process will be take place. After all the candidates have been ranked, you can go ahead and create an assessment that you want. You have control over what kind of assessment you want. You can have MCQs, DSA question, and SQLs, and all that can be generated with the AI itself. And after you have after the question assignment question has been generated, you can forward it to the top application or whoever applicant you want, and they'll be assigned a test to complete. You can see that the recruiter can view whoever has given the questions and who have been assigned the questions. Now we switch to the candidate side of the application, and here we see that the candidate has been assigned uh, an assignment that they have to complete. Once the candidate takes the assignment and completes it, the recruiter will be notified that the candidate has completed the application, and also the candidate will get an immediate feedback right after giving the assignment with the help of AI, so that they understand what they did right and where they went wrong, reducing the anxiety that usually takes place these days after people give their online assessment and test and don't receive any responses. This has been designed to give candidates immediate feedback and reduce anxiety after any assessment they give. Going back to the recruiter side, since the candidate has completed the assessment, the recruiter has been notified and they can see how the candidates have performed. Let's just advance the candidate and forward them to the next process, that is the live interview with AI. Now we switch to the candidate side of the application. Here you can see that an AI interview has been assigned to the candidate, and here we start the AI interview. The AI interview uses a one-to-one call that the candidate has to answer, and the AI evaluates the candidate on their presentation and their knowledge and their speaking skills, how confident the confident or candidate in were answering, and how accurate the answers were. And right after the AI assessment, the candidate will get a comprehensive evaluation of their interview just after the interview, so they can understand what they did right and where they went wrong. Since the candidate has completed the interview, the recruiter has been notified and they can pass or reject the candidate. Here, just let's just reject the candidate so we can see later how that is reflected on the candidate. But if the candidate was selected, you can pass them to the live interview round and send them live interview links. Here we see the candidate portal, and at the candidate portal you can see that it's written that the candidate was not selected.